Hello everybody, so welcome back to another JQ on the Go video, and in this video I'm going to be talking about the front filler plate for Audi models. So I have a 2012 Audi A5, and as you can see from my window sticker, the front filler plate was included when I got my car and when I bought the car. This plate would be used for anybody who doesn't need to have a front license plate. So as many people know, for these A5s, a lot of people change to the RS5 grille or the S5 grille. Right now, I just have the standard A5 grille, but this right here is the filler plate. You should be able to find some of these on Amazon, but I'm just going to show you now how super easy this was to install. This probably took me 10 minutes at the most. And it's just two little screws on either side, and it looks like this should just pop right out. Kind of pull up on the bottom. Let's see what we got here. There we go, and then pump up from the bottom to pop some of the clips. Very careful not to scratch the grill. Perfect. And this guy. So I know the filming angle on that wasn't great, but it was really easy to do. Just there's some clips right here and here, so make sure you're gonna push up from the bottom after you take out these two screws. So there's one screw there, and it's not a 4-pointed screwdriver. It's gonna be this little guy, a little 5-star little screwdriver should do the trick. And make sure you take out the two upper license plate screws as well. And I have had no problems. I've had this in for a good 3,000 to 4,000 miles now, and absolutely no issues. I definitely think that having this piece on the front of my car cleans it up. It doesn't have that license plate spot where I don't need a license plate, and I didn't want to get like a vanity Audi plate. So this definitely just cleans up the look for myself. If you're interested in doing this for your car, I definitely recommend doing it. It's a super easy mod, and it just cleans up the front end. So now I'm just gonna post some pictures of what the car looks like before I put this piece on. And if you have any questions, make sure to leave them down below. So effectively, this is the end of the video. So if you guys have any comments, questions, concerns, again, make sure to leave them below. And if you're interested in automotive and vlog style content like this, make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.